Aloha! Welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappie and this is Mookie. We got a great episode today. We're heading out to Lake Okanagan for Appies with Chappie by the lake, so check it out. Aloha! Welcome to Appies with Chappie. Today I have crab Rangoon potato skins. See here how I made them. Alright, for Appies with Chappie by the lake, we're going to do crab Rangoon potato skins. So I have some chunked crab meat. I'll add that at the end of the mixture just because I don't want to, I'll fold it in gently. I don't want to break up these nice pieces of crab meat. Alright, so we're gonna go, I don't have any measurements really, I'm just adding a bunch of stuff. We got some sour cream, some cream cheese. Most crab rangoons use cream cheese as the main binding ingredient. And then I got some mascarpone cheese. This is an Italian cheese used in tiramisu, and it's a very, very high fat content. And it's very expensive as well, but it's extra creamy. All right, and then we'll do a little bit of Old Bay seasoning. You see a lot of that on crab cakes. Old Bay is very popular in a lot of regions like Baltimore. And then a little bit of Parmesan cheese. And I'll give that a good mix up before like I say, I fold in the crab meat. Put a little bit more sour cream in just to loosen it up a bit. And that sour cream will add a nice tang. Alright, and then I got a whole can of crab meat here. 120 grams it says. Alright, and there's a little bit of liquid in there, but that's okay. Just make sure you get the paper out. There's the paper. Okay, give a little bit more Old Bay. And a little bit of black pepper. Okay, just folding it in gently. The liquid from the crab actually helped loosen it up a bit too. Alright, and we're going to spoon this on my potato skins. And I'm just going to put some shredded mozzarella on the top here. And then a little bit more Parmesan. Make it rain. And a little bit more Old Bay. All right, we're gonna bake these with the broiler on. Just keep a good eye so they don't burn. All right, to go with my crab Rangoon potato skins, we need a drink. I'm gonna make a Jamaican Mule, and this comes from the Clover Club in Brooklyn, New York, and I'm getting it from the book Easy Tiki by Chloe French-Annette. So it calls for 2 ounces of Jamaican aged rum. I just have some pirate rum today, but this is like a top shelf premium rum. And of course I have a copper mug. All good Moscow mules, or any mule, needs a good copper mug to keep it nice and cold. Of course I have some ice, and we'll go 2 ounces of rum. And again, the original recipe calls for Jamaican rum. And then 1 ounce of ginger syrup. This is just a simple syrup that I made with, I put some fresh ginger in it. And 3/4 ounce of lime juice. I just have a half lime today. Squeeze that on in. And then 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. I actually have some orange Angostura bitters today, just because. And a ½ ounce of pineapple juice. And then we'll finish it off with a lime wedge. And that, my friends, is a Jamaican Mule to go with my crab Rangoon potato skins. And that concludes another episode of Chappie's Tiki Bar. Make sure you hit that notification bell. This is Chappie saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappie's Tiki Bar.